Hey guys, Chris Cusimano here, your local real estate professional. And today we're gonna talk about salts. We're not gonna talk about the salt you eat. We're gonna talk about salt therapy. And here at the Salt Box in Parkland, Florida, that's exactly what they do. But what is salt therapy? Well, let's go inside and check it out. Come on in. And here to tell us more about what the Salt Box can do for you and your family, here's the owner, Jessie.
Hi, welcome to the Salt Box. The Salt Box is a salt therapy wellness spa, and we provide salt therapy for people of all ages. So we have an adult salt therapy room, a kid salt therapy room, as well as a private salt bed, and I would love to show you around. So this is our kids salt therapy room, and typically we allow 5 children in the room at one time, and they are accompanied by an adult. You typically are paying for the child, but the adult comes in at no additional charge, so it's like a 2-for-1. Salt therapy, or salt in general, has a pretty amazing property. It's 99% antibacterial, and so because there's salt on every surface in this room, including the toys, including the furniture, the walls, the ceiling, the floor, it keeps this room practically sterile. And so it's a super clean place to bring your kids when they're healthy, boost their immune system, when they're struggling with allergies and things of that nature. But again, we really ask that families, if somebody wakes up sick, that you wait to come for salt therapy until they're feeling a little bit better. And then salt therapy will help you get better that much quicker. So this is our adult salt therapy room. As you can see, we have 7 leather recliners, and we have soft music playing, and the room is dimly lit. We offer an opportunity for you to just come in and put your feet up and relax. And the way salt therapy works is we have a halo generator attached to the wall, and we load salt into it. It grinds up the salt, and then it puts it into the air for us to breathe. And so this is actually one of our vents over here. And by breathing in that salt, it helps with a ton of respiratory conditions as well as many skin conditions. It's great for the immune system, and it's incredible for stress relief and anxiety. So this is our private salt bed. So for those of you who want a more personalized experience and you don't necessarily want to be in a group setting where there's 7 individuals in our adult room, you can come and do a session in our salt bed. So a session in the salt bed typically lasts about 25 minutes, whereas the group rooms are 45 minutes. And it's nice because it works on your own schedule. And so the group rooms begin on the hour all day, every day, but the private salt bed runs on your schedule. So if you're in the neighborhood, you're running errands, and you just want to pop in and do a session, as long as there's no one within 30 minutes of that scheduled time or your desired time, you can come in and do your session and get your salt therapy and be on your way.
So now that you know everything that the Salt Box has to offer for you and your family, the best part is you can try for only $15 by clicking on the link in the description.